Hi everyone, my name is Ruben. I'm from the parts department at Colton RV in North Tonawanda. I'm here today to talk to you about lithium battery upgrade options. Over the course of the last 2 or 3 years, lithium batteries have been an increasingly popular option for RV customers. They're not just for boondockers anymore. Whether you are looking to do some heavier off-grid camping or just looking for a more reliable, easier to take care of battery, lithiums provide great options. There's probably an option that fits your budget. As you can see, we carry Renogy brand lithium batteries. We started carrying the Renogy Pro Series lithium batteries last July, and they have quickly become one of our best-selling products. Renogy is one of the big dogs in the online market, but have some key features that set them apart from their competitors. These batteries offer all of the normal benefits of lithium batteries, but also have a Bluetooth monitoring system, as well as a self-heating function. While those features aren't unique to Renogy, their price point is. These batteries start at just $5.99, which is a fraction of the price of their major competitors' comparable batteries. If your RV is a 2022 model year or newer, install can cost as little as $100. Renogy offers premium features for a reasonable price while still maintaining very high build quality. The best part is if you buy from us, Renogy will offer an extra 5 years of factory warranty included with your battery for a total of 12 years. So if you're ready to make the jump to lithium batteries, give us a call at any parts department in North Tonawanda, Blasdell, or Wind Gap.